places and people. So this is a very good um, indication that you are on your journey of attracting the partner who matches the kind of love that you're pouring into yourself right now. So keep loving yourself, keep pampering yourself, and work on any of the wounds if you are carrying from childhood. Could be abandonment, could be that you might be conditioned to accept love only when, when it is a little, or when you have to do things to get on to earn somebody's love, or you're okay with people coming, sometimes showing up and sometimes not showing up. So you're breaking those old patterns. You're redefining what love means to you. मतलब अगर कोई आपको टॉक्सिक इंसान या इनकंसिस्टेंट इंसान मिलता है या कंफ्यूजिंग सिग्नल्स देता है, मिक्स सिग्नल्स देता है, तो यू जस्ट लाइक रिट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम दैट एनर्जी, बिकॉज आई गेस यू आर वेरी कॉशियस कि आप अपनी नई लाइफ में किस तरह के लोग एज फ्रेंड्स या रिलेशनशिप्स लेके आओ. नॉट एनीबडी कैन नाउ बी अ पार्ट ऑफ योर न्यू वर्ल्ड दैट यू आर क्रिएटिंग. तो मुझे तो ये लगता है कि आपका सेकेंड इनिंग वेर यू आर द मास्टर ऑफ योर डेस्टिनी, स्पेशली इन योर लव लाइफ. ओके, देख लेते हैं कि आपके जो एक्स हैं या जो पास्ट पर्सन है हु इज काइंड ऑफ रिपेंटिंग दैट दे लॉस्ट अ वेरी गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग, a good hearted person, an empath, a loving nurturer, person who is always there. They've taken you for granted more than once, like a lot of times. Okay, what are they thinking right now? I left you before you could leave me. Okay, so again, this person might have had like abandonment issue. इनको closeness और intimacy या commitment से डर लगता था. Like the moment they might be getting attached to you, they might run away and create distance from you. So they are just saying that they probably had deep, intense emotions, but they were scared that you're also going to leave them. हो सकता है कि आप जब इन्हें मिले हो तो ये किसी past relationship से recover कर रहे थे, and you were probably a rebound for them. So they were afraid to fall in love again. So I wish things could be different. So they might be also thinking कि शायद उस टाइम पे अगर ये पहले healed होते या इनके पास चांस होता तो शायद they might have expressed their feelings for you जो इन्होंने पहले नहीं करा. Like they miss you a lot, they connected with you, but they fear the thing that they want the most. It's just like that. You don't know how hard it was to let you go. Okay, so this person not necessarily wishes ill for you, but इनको ये पता था कि आपके मन में काफी emotions हैं. It was very difficult for them to see you probably feel bad because of them at times, but इनको ये पता था कि you are looking for a commitment and you want to settle, so they had to like leave you and go. And even if they might have tried to come back in your life, तो आपने मना कर दिया होगा. So they are just feeling that कुछ तो emotions थे जो ये express नहीं कर पाए. They might have felt very nurtured when they were around you. They might have opened up their hearts to you जो उन्होंने शायद बाकी लोगों के साथ नहीं किया. देख लेते हैं और what else they want to say. The timing just wasn't right for us. So again they might be like in this zone कि शायद उस टाइम पे आप दोनों ही कोई ब्रेकअप या पास्ट पेन या ग्रीफ से डील कर रहे थे. So they are just like very smartly not taking the blame on them. They are also pulling you inside कि हाँ हम दोनों ही का ही वक्त खराब था. And it can be, हो सकता है कि उस टाइम पे आपके भी ओपन वूंड्स थे, आपको भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि आप पुराने किसी रिलेशनशिप की हर्ट लेके आ रहे थे, या आपको खुद को प्यार करना नहीं आ रहा था, खुद को वैल्यू करना या सेल्फ एस्टीम आपकी बहुत लो थी उस टाइम पे. सो दैट कैन बी द रीजन. What else? I hide behind material things. So they might be like spending a lot of money on traveling, on like buying new things, buying new wine and cars and goggles and everything. But deep down, they feel that they don't have, they're like very empty. They don't have like that inner cup full of love that only you could bring to them. So they're मतलब उनके पास कितनी भी चीजें क्यों ना हो, they are missing the kind of warmth and love and deep emotional comfort जो आपके साथ मिलता था इनको, I guess. देख लेते हैं. और I wish I could take back my words. Okay, so इन्होंने हो सकता है आपको कुछ harsh words बोले हो कभी, या आपका कुछ मजाक उड़ाया हो, या आपको मतलब जैसे अगर आपने कोई कमिटमेंट मांगी तो शायद ये आप पे हंसे हों कि अरे मतलब क्या ही करोगी तुम शादी करके, या क्या करना है रिलेशनशिप, देयर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड लव लाइक दैट, so they might have just made fun of you, or might have also like laughed at your back that okay she's मतलब आपके प्यार का शायद मजाक उड़ाया हो कि कमिटमेंट की क्या इस वो है, या इतनी डेस्परेट हो, या उसके लिए ऐसे कुछ बोला हो सकता है इन्होंने आपके पीठ के पीछे या आपके मुंह पे, जो शायद उस टाइम पे आप कुछ कह नहीं पाए, बट नाउ दे आर रियलाइजिंग दैट नाउ बिकॉज यू आर नॉट अलाउइंग एक्सेस बैक टू देयर लाइफ, सो they are like realizing all these things. Okay, so this was more or less your reading, guys. अब मैं जाने से पहले एक बारी like I want to bring, I see that there's lots a lot of self love energy that you are into, and you're like starting your life anew. So उसके लिए मैं यूनिवर्स से एक गाइडेंस oracle कार्ड निकालना चाहती हूँ, which will help you in continuing this journey, this new journey, this creating your new life, जहाँ पे आप partners और friendships और connections invite करना चाहते हो with from your new version, like who is loving herself fully, who's showing up without any shyness, who's like proud of who she is. और मैं शी बोल रही हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि ये मैस्कुलिन नहीं है, ये फेमिनिन एनर्जी। आप यू माइट बी अ गर्ल और यू माइट बी somebody who has a very dominant feminine side. So आपकी जो ये self love journey है, self care, and you're just going back and reclaiming your power, and you're just not like behaving like any other option, and you're just treating yourself like a queen, right? मुझे क्वीन का कार्ड तो नहीं है, बट मुझे फीलिंग तो क्वीन की आ रही है आपसे, so you are definitely queen of cups energy, which is like very mothering, or even the empress, sorry. So उस journey में where you want to progress through queen of cups to the emperor, what could help you in this new journey that you are creating, new life, new connections? Hmm. One guidance which universe wants you to keep in mind while you move ahead in your journey of self love, so that you can just let the old toxic patterns or exes to go, especially this person. लेकिन इस इंसान से तो मुझे लगता है आप आपकी इमोशनल डिटैचमेंट हो चुकी है, you're not anymore like dying in their thoughts, but they are realizing that what they have lost right now. But in you creating your new life or attracting the kind of love story जो आपको लगता था कि फेरी टेल लव स्टोरी है, बट नाउ यू आर बिलीविंग इन दैट इट कैन बी क्रिएटेड वंस यू स्टार्ट हीलिंग योर इनर वुंड्स। देख लेते हैं एक मैसेज जो यूनिवर्स आपको देना चाहते हैं ऑन योर सेल्फ लव जर्नी। ओके, ट्रस्ट, transformation occurs through acceptance. Once you accept the current situation, it will automatically transform. Ooh. See, is card mein you'll see there is a like a union of the divine feminine and divine masculine, and it's such a beautiful union. Even if I see there are a lot of challenges that like both of your sides are bringing their whole self, like the dark side and the bright side, and merging with each other with acceptance. So this is a very good reminder कि आप transformation phase पे हो सकते हो. Like I said, you're beginning new. You are changing the patterns or the blueprint of having a healthy love relationship. And जब आप ये accept कर लोगे कि ये सब चीज़ें आपकी life में, जैसे आपका ये ex है who was not giving you importance, who was not loving on you, giving you breadcrumbs and going off and on. Now you have transformed and you are trusting the process that you need, like जो आपका ये सेल्फ लव जर्नी है, जो आपका रिलेशनशिप खुद के साथ है, आप उस पे काम कर रहे हो। सो दिस हैज इट्स टाइम फॉर यू टू लाइक एक्सेप्ट कि ये इंसान आपकी लाइफ में आना था, सो दैट you could learn that lessons, even if that pattern got repeated couple of times, but you had to go through those terrains so that you can really go up on this hill of self love. So just like the moment you will accept ki, and you will not have any negative feelings for this person, I would say कि उसने मेरे साथ ऐसे क्यों किया, वो किया, he was again he, so of course you might be a feminine and this might be a guy or a man. um so he might be one of the very important characters in your life जो आपको self love की journey में धक्का मारने आया था, तो you just accept that this had to happen so that you are where you are right now. You are in this like bliss of self love and unconditional love. So do not have like hard feelings like in, and just let them go, because you have already cut your ties, emotional ties with them. So you don't have to react, or you have, but you just protect your, keep on protecting your boundaries with this person, because they might not have healed. It's just that they are realizing that they've lost something, but their transformation is not your job. Your job is to keep transforming, accept the situation how it was, एंड टेक इट लाइक कि ये चैप्टर आपकी लाइफ में आना था और अब वो क्लोज हो गया चैप्टर नाउ। वो आपकी ज़िंदगी में रहें या नहीं रहें, आप अपनी एनर्जी उनसे नहीं शेयर करना चाहते, बिकॉज यू आर लुकिंग क्रिएटिंग प्लेस फॉर whom you can trust fully, who are going to match you, the kind of love that you are putting in right now. There, this new person is going to come and match that energy for you. So that person will be a true match for you. Okay. So this new person, I guess I just pulled this card. I was called to like pick this card, is embrace. Through each other you find the missing piece. तो हो सकता है कि अब आपकी लाइफ में ना कोई ऐसा पर्सन आप अट्रैक्ट करें जो आके आपका जो इस हीलिंग जर्नी में जो चीज़ें रह गई वो विल हेल्प एंड पुट दोज पीसेस टुगेदर। यू बोथ विल बी इन हीलिंग जर्नी। जो आपकी लाइफ में अब आएगा ना, वो भी अपनी एक हीलिंग जर्नी पे होगा, एंड यू वुड प्रॉबेबली मैच, you'll be a probably like a frequency match to this person, and you are going to both create a new life, which will be very different from your older versions, right? So I totally believe that for you. I totally believe for कि ये होगा आपकी लाइफ में। All right guys, so I'll end my reading here. I hope कि आपको ये reading पसंद आई हो. Again, it will not be for everyone, and it might resonate with you, it might not. So just take whatever resonates with you and just leave the rest. और अगर आपको ये रीडिंग अच्छी लगी तो डू गिव मी थम्स अप एंड शेयर इन कमेंट्स कि अगर आपका कोई ऐसा इंसान है हु इज़ ट्राइंग टू come back, and who you feel might be, now thinking about they've lost a very beautiful, loving, caring, nurturing person like you. And अगर आपको मेरा ये स्टाइल रीडिंग का पसंद है, whatever I share helps you, I would recommend that you just subscribe to my channel so that I keep getting this motivation to come back every day and do these readings for beautiful people like you. So it is a good night from my side. Hope you have the good rest of day or rest of night, whatever, whenever you are watching this video. And keep loving yourself, keep respecting yourself, and keep creating this new world which you have imagined for yourself, because I believe that magic is possible. Okay guys, bye for now, take care.